An aluminium ring B faces an electromagnet A. The current I through A can be altered. Now in this case we have this A and we have B. Okay, so now what happens, because if we change the current in this, so basically you can observe this flux, the value of the flux, actually the passing through the B will change, right? So basically this is a case of mutual induction. I can write that flux passing through B2 will be proportional to current I, right? Current change and current in 1. So electromagnet CTRO magnet A, and this is the flux, so this is phi 2 flux through B, right? So phi 2 will be equal to m into I, that is the coefficient of mutual induction, right? So we can see that flux is changing. So if flux is changing, that means induced EMF will be equal to minus d phi 2 by dt, so which will be minus m di by dt. So simply you can see this flux will change and induced EMF will be there, right? So obviously this will repel, so there will be repulsion, so this will repel B, A will repel B. So which option is correct? If I increases or I changes, so that means if I increases, then this flux, actually induced EMF is minus m di by dt, and di by dt is actually positive because di is increasing, so that means overall induced EMF is negative, so that will repel B. Okay, so if I decreases, A will repel B, galat. If I increases, A will attract B, wrong. So if I increases, A will repel B, no force, possible not. So only option is correct, fourth, right?